me a keg of beer.
Wolf. 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 Wolf.
She-wolf.
Wolf.
Wolf. Wolf. Wolf.
Wolf. Wolf. Wolf. Wolf. Wolf. Wolf.
A keg.
Explanation is probably long overdue.
An explanation? Jesus Christ, Dad, an explanation.
She-wolf. Wolf. Wolf. Wolf.
Wolf.
Give me a keg. A keg of beer.
I'm trying to get a grip on this. My day tonight, pal.
You don't scare me, freak.
Wolf. Wolf.
Underneath all that hair, you're still a dork student.
Wolf. Wolf. But to this day, that's a very nice thing to do. It was the most frightening that night. But it worked. Old Rusty Thorn. After that, he never bothered your mother. This Thorn business is my fault. But to this day,
Look, Dad. I'm trying to get a grip on this.
last few days,
Yeah. Sorry.
I turned into the werewolf out of anger. Right in front of his beady little eyes. He lost control of his bodily functions. I turned into the werewolf out of anger.
Wolf. Wolf. Wolf.